Ugh, I'm so bored. Hey, is that a typewriter? Let's go try it. Okay, let's get the paper. Let's put it in. Okay, now we can type. Okay, I'm all done. Okay, let's put it back now.